Hello guys, hello, good morning everyone. Guys, I know we are busy this morning cooking a lunch. Yes, and now I'll show you my Arabic rice. And this chicken I already boiled more than 40 minutes. Yes, and this water we will remove some garlic and onion and some the Arabic spicy. We will remove this, then I put the rice. Yes guys, over here in Kuwait guys, any Arabic country, they cook the rice like this. Yes, because this very delicious, the rice from the water from the chicken, from the boiled chicken, is very delicious. And if you want to try this guys, you can do it. You can cook in your home. Yes, no need to remove all. We will leave some little onion. Yes, because this is onion. Yeah, and now we will put our rice. Yeah, okay guys, I will show you the rice also over here in the Arab country. Yes, this rice I wash already and it's very hot. After we will wash the rice, we'll put the hot water and half hour. This is very hot. Yes, this is very hot because over here in Arab country the rice is not the same in the Philippines. Yes, this some bad smell. That's why we need to wash very well, and then after we leave a hot water about half hour. Leave a half hour with a hot water. Now we will throw the water. Yes, because the rice over here guys in the Arab country is very hard, and some smell bad because maybe it's not a new one, or I don't know, maybe it's longer in the stock room. Yeah, and now we will put our rice. Yes, and put a little high on fire. We will try the salt. We'll try the test. So yummy. Then if you're not satisfied the salt or the test, we can put some little bit of salt and slowly stir. Yes, and then if you feel that's too much water later, you can remove the water little bit. Okay guys, and this our chicken. We close little bit while we are explain our chicken. Yes, I prepared the one garlic cut smallest, and this turmeric, and I have half of tomato paste. It's the same how I cooked yesterday. Yes, this one we will make brown our garlic and put it the turmeric and mix with the tomato paste, and then just stir 2 minutes 3 minutes, and put it the chicken cubes, half of chicken cubes, and after that we will put over here in our chicken, and after we will put the tomato paste, we will put in the oven. Okay guys, this this already I show you guys this yesterday how to make a oven the chicken. Yes, this already I show you. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe guys. Bye bye, God bless us. Yes guys, and now we'll show you how to make a tomato paste. And this one is I put already an oil. Now we put our garlic. And turmeric. Turmeric is 1 teaspoon. Yes, enough. We will make a brown. Yes, make it golden brown, the garlic, because the garlic is, we can get a nice smell, a good smell for our chicken oven. Yes, and turmeric. If you don't have turmeric, no problem. The important is our tomato paste. Yeah. And now we can put chicken cubes. Yes. Yeah, this is a little bit. This is not half. Yes. And now the garlic is a little brown. Yeah. And then now we will put our tomato paste. Yes. This one a half. Yes. You can also put a 2 spoons of tomato paste, no problem. Yes, this is for chicken, guys. And now we'll off the fire. Now we put in the chicken. Yes, because we cannot touch this very hot, so we use the brush. Yes, we use a brush. You know the reason why we put the turmeric? To get more nice color. Yes guys. Yes, but if you don't have turmeric, no problem. Yes, no problem if you don't have turmeric. Yes, now we can hold it just a little bit and put also the inside the stomach. Yes. This tomato paste is, there is already a nice taste because we put the chicken cubes. Yes. And then after this, we put in the oven. Until become a golden brown. Yes guys. Okay. Now I will remove my gloves. Now our oven is already hot. It says about 160, and later we will put in 180. Yes. No need. If you put only 160, no problem. But we must to put also the fire up. Okay. guys, and don't forget to put the time. This is a time. Yeah, I put a 30 minutes, but you can check all the time, or after 20 minutes you can check it. Okay guys. Oh guys, happy lunchtime. Our lunch is cooked already. Yes. Yeah, this is chicken. I cook from the oven. Yes, it's very hot. Yeah. See, look. This I cook from the oven. Yeah. And this is our Arabic rice. It's cooked already and ready to serve. And this is food coloring. Yes, this is a food coloring, a red one. There's a food coloring, there is a yellow, and there is the red, and this one is a orange. Yes. And now we will serve our Arabic rice. Yeah. And we will put some one legs. Yes. Yeah. And we put our lemon. Yes. See, look guys. Yeah. And we have sauce is this is potato, carrots, and kusa, amaro. Yes. And we have one glass, and we have a spoon and fork. So ready to serve. Yes. Okay guys, see, this is I cook from the oven. Yeah. Don't forget the chicken is we boiling first. Yes, this is the rice one. And now we will put inside. Don't it cold the chicken. Don't it cold the chicken. That's why we put up in the rice. Yeah. Sorry. Yes. Okay guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good time. Bye bye.